good morning, good evening, good afternoon, crypto billionaires and millionaires. This is I need to change. I'm sorry. This is FXFreedom, and now I need to change here the FXPassion's lazy. I need to change to FXFreedom's lazy crypto portfolio, right? Anyway, everybody, risk disclaimer: the webinars are not investment or trading advice. The webinars are for educational purposes only. Don't invest or trade money that you cannot afford to lose. Crypto assets carry a high degree of risk and are not suitable for all investors and traders. One more time: crypto assets carry a high degree of risk and are not suitable for all investors and traders. Always do your own homework before you act. Talking about cryptos, everybody, this is Crypto Friday. Remember, this is not what was that? Everybody, this is not a course, okay? This is not a course, everybody. This is Crypto Friday, where and when we talk about the good news, the bad news, and the ugly news, okay? Now, I'm not a professional on cryptos, but I am a technical trader and a portfolio manager. And in my opinion, the crypto market is going to produce millionaires and billionaires in the next 3 to 5 years. Again, in my opinion. Every first week of the month we are showing you the portfolio results. Well, really, we are showing you every week. This is the portfolio so far. Okay, we started, everybody. I'm going to explain to you, this is our first Crypto Friday. I'm going to explain to you the story behind the Crypto Friday. Okay, so as you can see, everybody, we started back in 2021 in May. Hello Lucas, how are you? In May 2021 I deposited $1,000, and with the portfolio management techniques this $1,000 became 9,400 roughly in 5 months. Okay, and this same portfolio, everybody, right now it's at 5,500. okay, so it's what, 40% down, I believe. Okay, every first week of the month we are showing you the portfolio results. I'm having a lazy portfolio course every 3 months, 20 people max. Connect if you want more info, everybody. Take a pen and paper. Take a pen and paper and write down the date. 19th of February is going to be the next lazy portfolio course. Okay, 19th of February. And subscribe if you want to the Crypto Millionaire Crypto Portfolio YouTube channel if you want, not unnecessary. Okay, so that being said, everybody, this is the portfolio result. Remember, it's all time, you know, it's everybody. When you are listening and looking to different YouTube videos and listening to different professionals, you know, ask for the results. Okay, it doesn't really matter who are you talking to, ask for the results. Okay, and pay attention in here. Don't ask for 24-hour result, because they can be lucky. Don't ask for 7 days result, ask for 90 days. Okay, ask for 90 days or more. If they're telling you, you know, we should buy this and sell this and do this and do that, ask for results. Hello Gerardo, how are you? Okay, now what's the story behind the Crypto Friday, everybody? This is our first Friday. What's the story behind the Crypto Friday? This is the chart of Bitcoin, and true story. And what happened in 2017, 2018? We had people, friends and family, who earned buying, holding Bitcoin. We have friends and family. Me particularly, I have a friend in the USA who bought a house and 2 cars because he was holding and buying Bitcoin. But in the same year, I also had a friend who lost a house and a car. And long story short, he lost the family too. He got divorced. And during this period of time, everybody, a lot of people, friends and family, called me, you know. So back in time I was called FXPassion, right? They were calling me, you know, oh, help me, help me, help me, or help my husband, or help my wife. No, it's not a phone. And you know, I was telling them what to do. And Bitcoin, of course, in 2018, it went from 18 or 20,000, whatever might be the case, it went down to 3,000. And most of people, so one got the house and 2 cars, he bought the Ferrari and the Lambo, you know, but 80 to 90%, there's an estimate out on the internet, 80 to 90% non-professional investors, non-professional traders lost. Make sense? And they were crying and kicking the can, you know, and then, you know, help me, help me, help me. And long story short, you know, they didn't listen. Then what happened? Bitcoin is just an example. Bitcoin then, this was what? This was in 2020, Bitcoin started to rally one more time. Go up, 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 right? And people get enthusiastic again and motivated, and we're starting to buying and holding, buying and holding. And last year happened the same story. Some people got the Lambo. Most of the people didn't got the Lambo, right? So same story, exactly the same story repeated. But what was the difference? We didn't have the show anymore, you know, because people didn't listen. And you know, some people got angry. Oh, you don't know what you're talking about. And I said, oh, really? You know, I don't know what I'm talking about. And you are not a crypto guy. And I said, yes, true, guilty of that. I'm not a crypto guy, you know. This is why I'm telling you, everybody, for you to understand what we're doing here. I'm not a professional in cryptos, meaning, you know, formerly FXPassion. Today, this year, we're going to transition to FXFreedom. You know, what is a smart chain? I don't know. You know, tell me more about smart contracts. I have no idea. Okay, everybody? But the portfolio management techniques. So what do we know so far? The crypto market, it's a new market, but in many ways seems like that it's behaving like the stock market. Okay? Pure speculation, this is not a guarantee. Everybody, this is what I think, okay? And just using simple portfolio management concepts and technique, this is the result. Back to the story. And here, me and my friend Gianpaolo, we made a bet. And I said, okay, you can laugh, not a problem. We made the bet. Let me see if Forex has Shiba. Shiba, no. Dodge, no, it does not. Okay. Let's go on TradingView, not a problem. Dukascopy is using TradingView too. And Bitcoin and Ethereum, this is going to be Shiba Inu. Well, it was Doge back in time, but Shiba Inu too. Shiba, USD, Tether, Shiba, there you go. So this is the monthly chart, and this is the monthly chart. Bitcoin monthly chart and Shiba Inu monthly chart. So back in time, me and my friend Gianpaolo, we made the bet, and I said, okay, I'm going to bet that it's going to happen one or two things. So for the next 3 to 5 years, I'm going to use my portfolio management techniques, and I'm going to invest long term in the crypto market, and I'm going to buy a Lambo. And Gianpaolo said, well, I'm going to do the same, but I'm not going to use any portfolio management techniques. I'm going to just buy Dogecoin and Shiba and the other cryptocurrencies. Okay, so this was one. And most importantly, where is Bitcoin? Most importantly, so we didn't do any shows in here, but then people start sending emails when the second fall happened. Bitcoin daily chart. When this happened, this was May, exactly, May 2021, right? When this happened, you know, we received roughly 30 plus emails, people asking for help. People from TradingView, students from TradingView, asking for help, you know, please help me. So we are back with the show, everybody. This is not a course, okay? This is our first Crypto Friday in 2022. This is not a course. I'm not a professional in cryptos, everybody, okay? But we are here to talk about investments, investing in cryptos, and we are here to talk about the news events that most likely are going to affect the cryptos. So what happened this week? IMF, so this news, it's everybody, it's from 25, today it's 28, 3 days ago. International Monetary Fund urges El Salvador to discontinue Bitcoin's legal tender status. So El Salvador and the bully, the IMF, you know, they are still fighting. Okay, now is this news good or bad for the crypto market? I believe it's still good. Okay, it's my opinion, not a fact. And as the title says, the global financial institution said Bitcoin used as a legal tender poses risk to the country's financial stability, integrity, and consumer protection. And I would say, my opinion, IMF, what do you care? What do you care what, you know, what do you care Salvador is doing? No, everybody, I'm not saying right or wrong, right? I'm just giving my opinion. Remember, this is not a course. We are Crypto Friday. We are having a friendly conversation, drinking coffee, okay? So, but as a portfolio manager, we are looking at policy because, as we talked about many times, many times, get back. Sorry about that, everybody. The crypto market still today we have a systemic risk. What is the systemic risk? If most of the countries are going to say that cryptocurrencies are illegal for financial transactions, then it's game over. Okay? It's simple as that. If some big economy like the USA or Europe, okay, China did this already, they say that you can have your cryptos, you can have Bitcoin, you can have Ethereum, you can have Shiba Inu, you can have it, okay, as a taxpayer you can have it, but you cannot use them to buy bread and butter, then it's game over. What you're looking at is going to go to zero. My opinion, one more time. And this is why we are looking at policy news, not the other ones, because the other ones just want to influence you. Okay, so this is good if you ask me. What happened next? Russia Finance Ministry opposes central bank call for crypto ban. So Russia, for the time being, January 25, it's against the cryptos. Okay, yesterday there was a news event that President Putin is saying that they are, I'm just reading the news, right? That it's with the cryptos, we're going to see what is going to happen. So anyway, so far this news, it's, you know, we have the good news, the bad news, and the ugly. This would be the ugly news, right? Because they're still fighting, they don't know what to do. According to the title from CoinDesk, Russia's finance ministry opposed the central bank call for crypto ban. So the central bank from Russia, we're going to check today's news too, right? But this is from January 25. The Russian central bank, they want to ban the crypto. So bad news for the cryptos, talking about policy. Thai authorities plan to regulate crypto as means of payment. So good news from Thailand, talking about policy, good news for the cryptos. The Thai Security and Exchange Commission has also proposed a set of guidelines. So good news for the cryptos, crypto market. And this news was from January 25. Indonesia's regulator warns financial firms against offering crypto sales. Financial institutions are strictly prohibited from using, marketing, and or facilitating crypto asset trading. This is what is called an ugly news. Okay, why ugly? Because it's not clear. If you're going to read this article, everybody, it's not clear, at least to me, you know. Maybe I'm not that smart, I get this. So Indonesia, they are allowing, you know, it's legal to have and trade cryptocurrencies, but they're on the other side, they are saying that financial institutions are prohibited from using, marketing, or facilitating. This is, you know, I don't know what to think here. Financial institutions are strictly prohibited from using, marketing, the Instagram. Please beware of Ponzi trading of crypto. So trading of crypto is permitted in Indonesia and it's regulated, you know, but you cannot facilitate. So you can type in the chat, everybody, what they think. This would be what is called an ugly news, you know, it's not clear. Moving forward, so ban less likely, Putin says crypto mining has its advantage on Russia. So this is from this article, it's from, so this was on 25. Now we have another article here, 27, everybody. So they are changing the story. So we're going to see what is going to happen, right? Most likely Russia is going to be pro crypto. Moving forward, January 26, Turkish president orders ruling party to organize metaverse forum. Good news for cryptos and metaverse. Okay. And this is today, CoinDesk. Let's check policy, trading, industry. Is crypto winter, Goldman, Bitcoin, altcoin, Bitcoin worth? First mover Asia, market wrap, crypto explainer markets, scrolling business, scrolling policy. Russian government, so this is from today, 28. We have new news. Russian government agrees on a roadmap to regulate crypto. Whoa, great news for cryptos. And 27, House bill could let Treasury Secretary block international, bad news. But it's, again, it's could, right? Okay. House bill could let. We don't know what is going to happen, but House bill could let Treasury Secretary block international crypto transactions. So, America Competes Act. What does this mean? This means that you would not be able to open or transfer or trade or withdraw cryptocurrencies outside of the USA. Okay. So if you are from Australia, New Zealand, Japan, Denmark, Germany, Brazil, Canada, Switzerland, Finland, you cannot open an account. You would not be able to open an account on any of the platforms or brokers or investment banks that allow crypto investments or allow crypto trading. Again, this is what it's considered an ugly news, right? Why? Because part of the news is good, part of the news is bad. Part of the news that it's good is that it's moving on with the regulation of the crypto market. Part of the news that is bad is because they are making difficult for the brokers and the investment bank and the investors and the platforms to raise profits, right? Okay. No, I'm not saying right or wrong. I'm just reading, you know, the titles, and I'm giving you what I think as a portfolio manager. Because one more time, if if some big country says, well, we are banning the cryptos for financial transactions, it's, game over. So this is CoinDesk, everybody. Let's go back. Oh, is that a fact? No, it's not. This is my opinion, everybody. Senator Warren targets 6 more crypto miners for their energy use. DOJ Intricryptis, exchange funders, stealing, whatever. Okay, and Cointelegraph. 4 hours ago, bull or bear market, we are not interested. Chinese food delivery giant, not interested. Qubit Finance suffers, not interested. Bitcoin Sphere, not interested. Belgian MP becomes first minute to accept. Oh, this is interesting. This is policy. Belgian MP will convert his monthly salary of euro to Bitcoin using the country's popular cryptocurrency. Okay, very good. So this is pro crypto, everybody. It's policy, and let's check some others. Bull or bear, not interested. Bitcoin falls, price 2, not interested. Bitcoin bounce, not interested, not interested. And I believe, talking about the news events, everybody, that's it. That's it. So, number 1, do you have any questions? Everybody, do you have any questions? Number 2, who is happy with what is happening in the crypto market right now? Everybody, who is happy here? Are you happy what's happening with the crypto market? Are you crazy? No, I'm not. No, I'm not crazy. Who is happy, everybody, with what is happening with the crypto market? Remember, this is our first Crypto Friday, and remember what we have talked about. Last year we had on Dukascopy, we had Crypto Thursday, and we talked about the different mindset, right? The gambler has a different mindset from the trader, and the trader has a different mindset from the investor. And you have short-term investors and you have long-term investors. And here comes the questions. Who is happy with what is happening with the crypto market right now? You can type in the chat, yes, me, I'm happy. You can type in the chat, no, you are crazy. We have a friendly conversation. No, this is not a course. Or you can ask to check a crypto asset, everybody, and ask questions. What do you prefer? Yes, I have a bet with oh man, okay. Somebody type on the other streaming platform. So Jean-Paulo got the Lambo. So everybody, today, for the newcomers, right? For the guys who are the first time with us, for the boys and the girls who are first time with us, everybody, Doge crypto, this one, Dodge or it was like, let me see if Dodge or it was like, no, it's like this, Dodge, right? Everybody, Gianpaolo, okay, Gianpaolo got the Lambo with Dodge. I'm honest here, I didn't. Gianpaolo got the Lambo with Dodge. Dodge went from 0.18 to 0.30. Okay, it was like 0. Let's go on the, no, it's okay here still. Okay, or here, this was the, pardon, this was, sorry, this was it. It went from 0.2 to 0.7. Okay, so Gianpaolo, true story, Gianpaolo got the Lambo in here. And then Shiba Inu, of course, Shiba Inu. And by the way, I have Shiba, as you can see down in here, I have Shiba in my portfolio. Okay, so I was a participant in here. And Gianpaolo got another Lambo, true story, with Shiba Inu in here. Okay, this is Gianpaolo. But today, true story, but today, Gianpaolo, it's on a bicycle. It's on a bicycle. Everybody, you can hate me, okay, you can love me, you can hate me. I'm telling you what I'm living. Okay, I'm telling you what I'm seeing with my friends and family and my associates. Okay, Gianpaolo got the Lambo with Dodge, Gianpaolo got the Lambo with Shiba. Okay, but today Gianpaolo sold both of the Lambos that he's on a bicycle. Oh, really? Yes, really. Why do you think this happened? How this happened? What is the thought process? Everybody, you know, I'm not a millionaire with my portfolio yet, right? So I am 6 months, 7 months, 8 months in the making. I put $1,000, I went to 9, and now I'm back to 5. So I didn't get to the $1 million, you know. Gianpaolo did. But what, and this is a common story, everybody. You know, somebody's like, oh, I don't believe you. Believe me, those are common stories you are just not hearing about because people are not telling how much money lost. So how is possible that somebody gets the Lambo in here and then loses everything? Not just the crypto market, the Forex market and the stock market works exactly the same. People who are not professional traders and are not professional investors, they are hearing something, they are seeing something. Oh, but he got the Lambo. True, he got the Lambo, but he got lucky. Make sense, everybody? And if you say, no, this is not true, come on the show and tell me to the face that people who, because me and some of my friends, we were involved in this rally, okay? Me and some of my friends, institutional traders, okay? No name, this is privacy online, we need to keep private the things, privacy. Me and some of my friends who are institutional traders working in an investment bank, in a hedge fund and in a brokerage house, 100% of us, everybody, we are telling you, we had no idea this is going to happen. We had no idea. So if you're watching a video, okay, a webinar, or you are live online right now, and you are telling me, oh, I don't agree with you, you know, we knew, or this was predictable, you know, number one, we are going to have a friendly conversation, and if you can prove to me that this was predictable, I'm going to hire you, you know. But I'm telling you, Gianpaolo So let's educate a little bit, right? This is not a course, everybody, but what makes Teacher Lucas and Teacher Heraldo, who are online, and everybody else, what makes a guy with 2 Lambos lose everything? What did he do? This is Crypto Friday and it's just a friendly conversation. What did he do? We as humans are creature of habits, you know? So if I got lucky once and I got lucky twice, what is the thought process? What do you think? There is no right or wrong. No, sir, this is not a course, everybody. Don't confuse the two. This is Crypto Friday when we talk about crypto investments, you know, and we talk about the good news, the bad news, and the ugly news of the crypto market. So Teacher Lucas and Teacher Heraldo and everybody else, what do you think? How is possible? Somebody's typing on the other streaming platform, but I'm keeping my bitcoins. Great. Excellent. Somebody else typing, but I'm not selling. Well, what can I share with you, everybody? This is sharing, right? I have a student of mine, okay? No names, it's privacy, but I have a student of mine and he was investing long term in Shiba Inu in here, and he was telling me, well, Shiba Inu is going to go up. And I asked him, well, if the crypto market, it's a new market, the Forex market's been around for 60 years plus. The stock market's been around for 200 years plus. Crypto market has what, 4 years, 5 years? 2016, whatever. You know, it's a new market. We don't know what concepts, what tools are going to work in the crypto market. You can hate me for this, but you have countless teachers online drawing Fibonacci's on Shiba Inu. And the Keltner channel and the stochastic RSI and everything. And I'm asking those guys, how do you know this is going to work? And it's not a technical question, it's a question about the market. And I'm telling you, those guys today are gone. Don't believe me? Check the internet. Lucas says they are gambling. Exactly. Exactly. But remember, so, oh, somebody, oh, you are rude. Let's clarify something, everybody. We are not judging anybody, right? This is how we think. Agreed? We are all the same. Me too, back in time. I would do this and I would do that. I did this. I did some stupid things 20 years ago. Lost tons of money. Okay? But I'm telling you what not to do. Why? Because people are calling me, you know, and oh, help me, help me, help me. How can I help you if you don't listen? Keltner channel, yes, players is different from investor. Keltner channel too, right? Okay? And the thought process, which is normal, you know, of the student is, oh, Shiba Inu went up. Give me a second, everybody. This was the thought process of the student. And I'm telling you what not to do, right? In my opinion, I'm not your father. Okay, this is not a course, I'm not your teacher. I'm telling you as a friend. Okay, I'm telling you as an online friend. Oh, I have a friend online. Yes, you do. You know, when this happened in here, and it's normal, right? Let's be honest here, it's normal, you know. So Gianpaolo got the Lambo in here. True story, people got rich in here, some of them. Gianpaolo is one. And then when the student who knows Gianpaolo saw something like that, he invested a lot of money in here. Most likely everything he had. Number one, this is greed. Yes, it is, but it's understandable. Let's be honest. been there, done that 20 years ago, and learned in the hard way, you know, and he invested in here, and he said, well, Shiba Inu went up once, Shiba Inu went up twice, Shiba Inu, it must go up one more time. You know, the student didn't tell me Shiba Inu most likely is going to go. The student told me, I am sure history is going to repeat. You know, history repeat itself, the concept of, from maybe the stock market, the investment in commodity, whatever might be the concept, you know. And I said, I was talking to the student, I said, well, how do you know? And he told me, but look back 2 times. And I said, I see the technicals, but the crypto market, it's a new market. How do you know? How do you know that this market is going to go up? Oh, but it's making higher highs, higher lows. So what? It's making higher highs, higher lows before. And making higher highs, higher lows, everybody, you can check any cryptocurrency chart. You are going to see that this market moves like every other market. It's going up and down. So he got greedy, and it's normal, we're not judging anybody, been there, done that. And he was thinking, well, Shiba Inu went up once, twice. He got a friend with the Lambo. This is why this hat comes from. He got a hat with the Lambo. He has a friend with the Lambo, and he was thinking that he's going to get rich quickly. What about now? Oh, but Shiba Inu can go up. Shiba Inu can do anything it wants. We don't know. But people are calling me, help me, help me, help me, help me. I'm talking about friends and family, everybody. And I'm not judging them. You know? And I might be rude, but some of them I stop helping. Why? Because they don't listen, they don't learn. Make sense? And the conversation goes, oh, you know, John Doe, it's an invented name. John Doe put the scholarship money of our kids, our scholarship fund, in true story, in Shiba Inu, and now he is crying, you know, and we have adults crying, adult people, 30, 40, 50 years of age, crying for real, crying, you know. Help me, what should we do? You know? And when I tell them what I think they should do, 90% of them, example Dogecoin, example Bitcoin, they don't listen. Okay? Now, in my opinion, what is crucial to understand here, and what is, you know, crucial to think here, it's one of my mentors, Dr. Van Tarp, he was in stocks back in time. He said that, I'm going to remember the quote, but he said something, you know, that the non-professional investors, and he was talking about stocks back in time, non-professional investors have locked their money, you know, in assets that are going nowhere for decades, really, you know. So, in conclusion for today, everybody, if this is you, you know, in my opinion, okay, one more time, this is not a course, this webinar, it's not a financial advice or any kind of advice, okay, as it's in crypto, assets carry a high degree of risk and are not suitable for all investors and traders. Always do your own homework before you act. Check regulation, you know, check the laws in your country, what you can do, what you cannot do. You don't want to have any problems with the authorities, okay? So, in my opinion, you know, if this is you, everybody, if you invested, you know, somewhere in here, or if you bought or traded or short trade, whatever might be the case, you know, now, in my opinion, you should think what you do. Because maybe this market is going to stay like this for the next decade. Oh, really? Yes, really. It's pure speculation. You know, somebody's asking, tell me what you do. I don't know. Tell me what Shiba Inu is going to do. I have no clue, no idea. Do you think that Bitcoin is going to go up? Yes. When? I don't know. Bitcoin and all the currency assets can stay like this for the next decade. Bitcoin can go to 3,000 and Bitcoin can go up. But come on. But it's good news for the ones who want to listen to me, but from a portfolio management perspective, I don't care. You know, this is the good news. So in conclusion, everybody, if you like the thrill, if you're a gambler, do things like, you know, whoops, let me see if it gets back. One more time. To test a strategy, well, I don't want to test the strategy. Well, let's go to USJ Forex. So everybody, you know, if you want the thrill, if you want to gamble, and we are not talking about gambling in a negative sense of the word, you know. You know, when I go to Vegas, I like to gamble too, right? When we're talking about gamblers, it's not a problem, it's not negative, you know. If you are after the thrill, if you want to gamble, do things like with Shiba Inu and Dogecoin and have fun and address the risk, you know. But otherwise, you know, if you want to listen to me, invest for the long term, for the long run, and you don't care, you don't stress out if Bitcoin is up, down or sideways, and you don't care if Shiba is up, down or sideways, and you don't stress of any of the crypto assets if they're up, down or sideways. You know? Okay, everybody? For more questions, if you want to learn the mindset and have the same result that I do, and I'm not a pro on cryptos, we're going to have the next course 19th of February. Okay? Comment, Lucas, we will never know the future in life and in the market, it's a probability game. Yes, sir, excellent. Okay, everybody, see you next Friday. Until next Friday, stay strong and what? Relax. Relax with the crypto market. I need to change this one, right? This is FXFreedom signing off. Have a great weekend, everybody.